Today I'm going to show you how to make a beaded Santa Christmas tree ornament. Alright, so to start with, you're going to need some beads, a pair of scissors, and some string. Now for beads, I'm going to be using mini pony beads, and I'm going to be using some plastic lace instead of string. I find it holds the beads in place better. So you're going to need 27 red beads, 51 white beads, 13 beige beads, 3 light pink, and 2 black. To start with, we're going to need a fairly long piece of string. I'd say probably about 1 meter. Now we're going to fold the string in half, making sure that the ends are even. Now we're going to make a loop in the center of the string. So to do that, I'm just going to grab this end here, and we're just going to tie a knot. Like this. We want to make sure the loop's big enough to put on a Christmas tree. Right about there should probably be good. Now we're going to lay the string out flat, like this. We want to make sure that the string stays flat on the table. In order to do this, I'm just going to take a little piece of tape and I'm going to tape it to the table so that it will stay in place. You don't have to do this, I just find it's easier. Now we're going to take 2 red beads and we're going to put them on one end of the string. And then we're going to feed the other end of the string through the same 2 beads in the opposite direction. And then we're going to pull it tight to the center. Then we're going to take 3 red beads. Again, we're going to put them on one side of the string, then feed the other side through the beads in the opposite direction. And pull to the center. For the next 4 rows, we're going to do the exact same thing. The first row is going to have 4 beads, second one 5, the third one 6, and the fourth one is going to have 7. Alright, so that's the last of the red. Now we're going to move on to the white. For the next row, we're going to put 8 beads on one string, and then we're going to feed the other string through the same beads in the opposite direction. And then we're going to pull it to the center. Now we're going to do the exact same thing for the next row, using 8 beads again. So that completes Santa's hat. Now we're going to move on to his face. For the next row, we're going to put 1 white on the string, and then we're going to put 5 beige, and then 1 more white. For the next row, we're going to put 1 white, 1 beige, 1 black, another beige, another black, another beige, and then 1 more white. For the next row, we're going to put 1 white, 1 light pink, 3 beige, another light pink, and then 1 more white. Next row, we're going to do 1 white, 1 beige, 3 white, another beige, and then 1 more white. Now for the next row, we're going to do 3 white, 1 light pink, and 3 more white. For the next row, we're going to use 6 white. Now for the next row, we're going to use 5 white. The next row is going to be 4 white. The last row is going to have 3 white beads. Now all we have left to do is tie a knot at the end. Now I'm going to tie 1 more knot just to make sure that it's secure. And we're going to pull it really tight. Now we're going to cut off the extra lace. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in my next video.